Welcome to the National Center for the Performing Arts for an evening of fantastic presentations by the young performers of Dr. Tushar Guha's Nrityanjali Performing Arts. A little bit about the dance schools. Nrityanjali, the institution of performing arts education, personality development, and management services, specialize in Indian folk and classical dances under the aegis of Dr. Tushar Guha, a long-standing veteran in the field of music, dance, and dramatics. An exponent in Indian folk dances, having done extensive research on them for over 30 years. On the other side, Dr. Guha is also an eminent corporate trainer, psychologist, and educationist under the personality development pioneer in India. Under his able guidance, Nrityanjali artists have performed in more than 2,500 programs across the country for various corporate houses and socio-cultural events. With a simple approach through music, dance, and dramatics, Nrityanjali has a universal appeal, and it is through this medium that it hopes to achieve the goal of social service. Nrityanjali also organizes festivals of regional music, dance, and dramatics, music and dance recitals for the inmates of orphanages, old age homes, underprivileged, and the terminally ill are also performed regularly. Their presentation is a medley of classical and folk dances themed around love, Anurati. Tremendous passion and undying love towards the art of dancing of these dance schools have kept the live arts alive in the city. Please put your hands together for the performers.
We just witnessed the opening presentation of Anurati, meaning love, a medley of Indian classical, folk, and creative dance styles presented by the student artists of Dr. Tushar Guha's Nrityanjali, the Institute of Performing Arts, Education, Personality Development, and Management Services. Nrityanjali was established by a 15-year-old Dr. Tushar Guha on 19th July 1963, cherishing music and dance for the last 53 years. We define love as mutual respect and understanding, and its dimensions are multi-hued. Anurati, meaning love, will explore these various dimensions through unity, love for self, the body, mind, and soul, through the physicality of movement that is nritya, romanticism, love for nature, love for our community, and love for Lord Almighty. Anurati will be presented through the classical dance forms, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, as well as the creative and folk dance styles of India. Our next presentation today evening is Madhurashtakam. Madhurashtakam defines love through the being of Lord Krishna. The verses of Madhurashtakam in praise of Lord Krishna depict the pure love of the Sakhis for him. Krishna's movements, pranks, gait, speech are rhythmic, beautiful, and inspires awe and devotion. Madhurashtakam will be presented in Kathak, Bharatnatyam, and creative dance styles by Dr. Ono Naguha, Srimati Sangeeta Sawant, and Dr. Tushar Guha, respectively. Madhurashtakam will be followed by Kathak Nritya. The upcoming Kathak recital will start with a Vandana, Thaat, Tode, Band, and Gatnikas showcasing the traditional Kathak repertoire, presenting Madhurashtakam followed by Kathak Nritya.
Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram ram madhuram charitam madhuram vasanam madhuram valitam madhuram chalitam madhuram भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् भुक्तं मधुरं सुक्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् कारणं मधुरं तरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं रावणं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं शमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं कौपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं सूक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं शिष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् ललितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्
Hey, 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 right?